Photorealistic, modern tropical house, lush overgrown jungle aesthetic, exterior view, dark brown wood deck and planters, concrete walls with dark accents, large windows with warm interior light spilling out, vibrant green plants and foliage cascading down walls and balconies, a mix of tropical plants, ferns, and palm trees, soft warm tone lighting through windows, details like rich wood textures on the surfaces, geometric design elements, perspective of looking towards the house and jungle, depth of field, high-quality rendering, 8K resolution, architectural style, modern jungle retreat. Lush backyard landscape design, modern stone patio with fire pit, gray stone walls and pillars, black accents, outdoor dining area with dark furniture, pathway of gray flagstones leading through vibrant orange and yellow flowers, foliage of various shades of green and a touch of dark purple, soft diffused light, damp atmosphere, detailed textures of stone, plants, and foliage, outdoor living space, impressionistic style. Smooth transition from patio to garden, water feature with small stones, trees and greenery surrounding the patio, ambient lighting, calm and peaceful atmosphere. Modern, minimalist, contemporary outdoor living space, large patio area, stone and wood decking, concrete pavers, lush green landscaping, tropical plants, gray stone walls, wooden pergola, outdoor seating area with gray and beige modular sofas, warm sunlight, high-resolution photorealistic, garden paths, impressionistic, calming atmosphere, detailed foliage, shadows, open concept living, outdoor fireplace. Focus on textures, calm colors, architecture, modern design, daylight. Clear sky, palm trees, detailed landscaping, no people, clean lines, smooth concrete, natural materials, Mediterranean, southwestern style, wide shot, depth of field. Lush tropical garden surrounding a modern house, water feature with cascading waterfall over dark, textured stone wall, koi pond with lily pads and fish, wooden deck with comfortable furniture, plants in pots and hanging baskets, gray stone paved pathways, brown and dark orange toned exterior, green foliage, sunlight filtering through trees, impressionistic depth of field, high contrast, lighting focused on the water features and plants, exterior living space, modern architecture. With clean lines, detailed textures, realistic water droplets, peaceful and tranquil atmosphere, tropical plants like palms and ferns, Zen garden elements, detailed stonework, warm earthy tones, natural lighting. Modern Japanese garden, minimalist aesthetic, hyper-realistic, outdoor scene, courtyard, light beige and gray concrete building with large windows, lush green grass, Zen garden with rocks and gravel pathways, dark gray flagstone walkway, various tropical plants and flowers, red flowers, ferns, shrubs, bonsai trees, small water feature. large dark gray/brown stone/rock features, wooden bench/seating areas, warm sunlight, natural shadows, calm and peaceful ambience, detailed foliage, smooth textures, perspective view, high-quality image, detailed architectural design, focus on the garden details. Lush Garden Patio, contemporary modern design, outdoor living space, light beige/stone patio with stepping stones, low light warm lighting, hanging orange/amber pendant lights, gray/brown outdoor seating, brown woven poofs, wooden pergola/covered area, large trees, lush green plants and shrubs, purple flowers, fireplace with orange/gold warm glow, open concept to indoor space, rich green foliage, wooden beams, slightly muted colors, ambient light, detailed textures of plants and materials, natural stone, modern minimalist design, soft shadows, mid-level shot, carefully curated planting arrangement. Outdoor patio, wooden pergola with black metal supports, gray sectional sofa set, lush tropical landscaping with vibrant green plants, palm trees, and flowering plants, concrete paver walkways, small water feature, fire pit, a TV or fireplace visible behind seating area, warm earthy tones, subtle lighting accents, tropical ambience, beautiful garden design, detailed textures, photorealistic lighting, natural stone accents, calm and relaxing scene, high-quality render, modern design. Comfortable outdoor living space, mid-afternoon sun. Modern, outdoor, patio, lush botanical garden setting, hyper-realistic, wooden deck, greenery walls, vertical garden with colorful plants and flowers, reddish berries, light brown wood, gray/beige outdoor seating, cushions, low seating, coffee table, warm sunlight filtering through a modern pergola, dark gray/brown architectural elements, black metal, contemporary design, soft lighting from planters and wall fixtures, green grass, detailed textures, detailed foliage, natural light, outdoor living space, ambient light. Contemporary concrete outdoor living area, impressionistic, neutral color palette of beige, tan, brown, gray, lush tropical foliage, raw concrete walls and wooden pergola with woven straw roof, light streaming in, large seating area with light beige/gray cushions, low wooden benches and poofs, round ethnic patterned wall hanging, modern dark gray kitchen glimpse through sliding doors, swimming pool reflecting the surrounding greenery, natural stone/concrete patio, warm sunlight. Detailed textures of wood, concrete, plants, slightly hazy atmosphere, focus on the space and natural elements. Minimalist house exterior, patio area, lush vertical garden with various tropical plants, wooden deck, light beige/cream colored sofa and lounge chairs, dark gray concrete walls, warm lighting, soft natural light, brick accents, stone/paved pathways, bright green grass, various flowering plants, realistic, detailed, hyper-realistic, impressionistic, high detail, architectural render, mid-century modern, plant life abundant, calm and relaxing atmosphere, patio furniture, calm colors, 3D, detailed textures, no harsh shadows, soft light, clean lines, 8K. Modern, minimalist backyard patio, hyper-realistic, outdoor fire pit, stacked stone patio, terrace design, light gray stone paving patterns, gray concrete fire pit, low-profile lounge chairs, dark gray patio furniture, lush green grass, desert landscaping, cactuses, succulents, sun-drenched afternoon light, warm beige and brown tones, glass sliding doors to modern house, mid-century modern aesthetic, clear sky, carefully curated tropical garden with varying leaf patterns and textures.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.